Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, I am at the track right now. This is the second Friday after the last video you guys just saw. Guys, I have something to confess. I actually changed my tuner. I changed from Lund Racing Tune, as you guys know, to E85 Tune, just a local tuner. It's much better that way. He can help me out with stuff if I have little issues, or actually fully dialing in the car. I just take it in person. It's much better than communicating through email. So this is the first revision, guys. I literally just got it tuned today, maybe 3 hours ago. Went over there, he wrote up the tune real quick, and then we did some road testing, some fine tuning. But this is the first time on the track with the tune, guys, so I don't know if it's gonna be better or worse. Either way, I'm not gonna be pissed off or anything like that. I know it's the first revision and the tune only gets better from there. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Let's go.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but love, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing.
So this is the lineup for today, guys, on the drag radio lines. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna go against one of these guys. Hey guys, how you guys been doing? Very good. So this right here is a Whipple supercharged. And then we have a Fox body right here looking pretty good. CTSV Z06. The new Supra. We have a truck over here that runs low tens. Most of these guys, I see them all the time when I come over here, so I just wanted to show you guys the cars in person, just in case I actually race one of them, so you guys can see. And then we have a blue S197 over there. It looks all motor. And then we have a silver one also back there. And then the red one over there. All right, guys, real quick before we go race. So I still have this Theta intake. All right, my tune, the one I just got, is for the Theta intake. So this is actually a very tricky intake to tune. Very tricky, but we'll get it done. And then the lights looking pretty good still. Even though I don't know if you guys can tell, the halo has like a dead spot over there. I think we're about to go. Here. Alright guys, as you guys can see that 11.1 at 126, pretty good guys for the first time, and it's the first tune revision. So man, I am super excited, man. That was 11.1 and 126, and that is the fastest one. So usually I top out at probably 125, but 126 is pretty good. I'm using a different launch technique, using the handbrake. By pulling the handbrake, I can launch probably like a 2500. So because I'm launching harder, it's making me, you know, faster down the quarter mile. But for sure, I'm sure with this revision, the second one, they're 10s for sure. So pretty good runs right there. Pop the hood, bro.
Where's the thing at on yours? The yellow thing?
You have to push it to the left. There's a latch right there, you have to push to the left. Right. No matter, say so.
I almost got it.
Everybody's looking.
Yeah.
Okay, then you have to do that.
Dude, that's hot. Bro, it's hot.
Right there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, that's hot.
And then for the second pass, guys, I messed up. I forgot to push the e-brake all the way down. I let go of the button. You guys know what button I'm talking about. That right there, the silver button. So that messed up my 60 foot. I got a 173. So that ended up to being 11.2. So guys, even though I messed up on the launch, I still did 11.2. That's pretty good news, man. So that means there's a lot more potential to the times. Let's go. Right now we're waiting for the third pass. The second one was kind of rushed. Like as soon as we parked, 5 minutes later, I was moving already for the second run. But hopefully for this one, the street tire lane, you know, takes that time for the car to cool down, so we can even get better results. So on the second one, 11.25 at 126. So still pretty good. And at the time of these runs, guys, the weather is 70 degrees and the DA is 1,300 feet on the first run. On the second run, 70 degrees still, and the DA got better at 1274. So the DA is getting better, but the humidity is getting worse, as you guys can see. On the first run, it was 88%. On the second one, it was 89%. But it shouldn't be that big of a difference, only going 1%. So stay tuned for the next run. We're about to go here in a little bit. Let's go.